Hello everyone, welcome back to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. In today's updates, we are looking at South Sudan future, a future that is standing at a very serious crossroad. We'll talk about the 2026 election, national election, and the plan to reduce parliament. Second, we'll talk about the Christmas security operation in Juba and rising crime linked to drugs. And third, a hopeful education story from Torit, where a former United Nations base will become a university. And finally, the strong public call for peace, including the demand for the release of Dr. Riek Machar. This program is for public awareness, education, and peace. We ask you to listen carefully, share your thoughts respectfully, and think about the future of South Sudan. Before we move on, please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's look at the 2026 election and the end of a big parliament. South Sudan is preparing for the 2026 general election. If these elections happen as planned, they may bring big change to how the country is governed. According to the National Election Commission, the country will return to the whole election system used in 2010. This means South Sudan will use 102 geographical constituencies instead of the many new seats that exist today. What does this mean in simple words? Right now, South Sudan has a very large parliament. Many people say it is too big, too expensive, and difficult to manage. A civil society activist, Edmund Yakani, say the current parliament is bloated, meaning larger than necessary, and that the old 2010 system there were 102 elected MPs from geographical areas. Another 102 MP came through proportional representation. This made a total of 204 members. Today, parliament has more than 330 members. If the whole system returns, over 100 seats will disappear. This means many current MPs may lose their position. Government spending may be reduced. Parliament may become smaller and more focused. Why is the whole system being used? The law says the election commission must declare constituencies 12 months before election because there is no new population census and no new legal constituencies were created. The law forces the election commission to go back to the 2010 boundaries. This decision is legal even if it is politically difficult. Concern about women and youth, there are serious concerns. In 2010, women had 25% representation. Today, women have 35%. Youth also now have 20% quotes. People are asking, will women lose seat? Will youth be pushed out? Will equality go backward? These questions are not yet answered. Presidential appointment under the 2010 system, the president had no power to appoint MPs, members of parliament. If leaders want to continue appointment, the law must be changed. A fixed number must be agreed. Even then, parliament will still be much smaller than today. Let's look at the impact beyond parliament. This change will also affect Council of State, reduced from 100 to 60 members, and state assemblies may reduce from 100 to 48 members. This means many politicians will lose jobs. Competition will increase. Politics may become more tense. Let's look at the unresolved areas like Ruweng and Greater Pibor. In 2010, Ruweng was part of Unity State. Greater Pibor was part of Jonglei. Today, they are separate administrative areas. Leaders must decide how they fit into the whole system. Our people there will vote. So what happened next? The Election Commission must now start voter registration, begin voter education, publish the final voters list by June 2026, and open campaign later in 2026. This means politicians are already preparing. The country is entering campaign season. This change could bring a leaner government, or more political conflict? Only time will tell. Let's move on to our second top story, Christmas crime and drug in Juba. While leaders talk about election, security remains a big concern. During the Christmas season, police in Juba carried out strong security operations. What happened was more than 170 suspects were arrested. These arrests happened in two main phases. The first group included over 100 people. The second group added 70 more suspects. Among them were gang members, drug users, even members of organized forces were involved. A worrying discovery, police say many suspects were women and young girls involved in gangs using a dangerous drug called ash. Ash is a strong drug known in other countries as crystal meth. According to security officials, the drug makes people lose control. Some users stay confused for days. It can lead to death. So let's look at the violence and road accident. During Christmas, many road accidents happened. Some were fatal. Police say drivers were under drug or alcohol. High-speed driving increased. People lost awareness. Some suspects were also found with machetes, knives, and other dangerous weapons that were used to threaten people, rob civilians, and create fear. Let's look at the government response. Security leaders said, operation will continue. Safety comes first. No one is above the law. They also warned drug abuse is destroying youth in South Sudan, and communities must help stop it. This situation shows a serious social problem. The need for prevention, not only arrest. Please help the channel by subscribing and turn on the notification bell. Whenever we upload new video, you can be notified. Let's move on to our third top story. This is up from Torit, University takeover UN base. Now let us move to positive news. In Torit, Eastern Equatoria State, there is hope. The state governor announced that a former UNIMIS base will become the permanent home of Torit University of Science and Technology. Why is this important? For many years, students had to travel far. Some went to Juba, others left the country. This was expensive and difficult. Now, a student can study at home. Education became more affordable. Local development improved. Let's look at about the UN base. After UNIMIS left, the base was abandoned. Some material were stolen, but leaders said the land remained. The future matters more. Turning a peacekeeping base into a university is a strong symbol of peace, growth, self-reliance. Education is one of the best investments for peace. A call for peace and the release of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar. As election approach, peace remains the biggest issue. And many South Sudanese are speaking loudly. There can be no real peace without inclusive leadership. People are calling for the release of first Vice President Dr. Riek Machar, dialogue, no exclusion. Why this matter? Dr. Machar is a key peace agreement signatory, a major political leader. Many believe sidelining him will increase tension. Election without him will lack trust. History has shown that exclusion leads to conflict. Dialogue leads to stability. South Sudanese are tired of war, tired of displacement, tired of broken promises. They want peaceful election, political freedom, and national unity. Gwasame biakamal ka Changfied YouTube channel. Bana right ketin content lat Garodian aray wich ka South Sudan. Mi jira majidit gwasame ka Changfied YouTube channel gorjen ojin. Deri subscribe kude notification bell de jatwain komite kamishi barech bachwa mala shubekiji. Bana leran yang bana jatuh gwasame kemenana chalat michora lat aray wich ka South Sudan. Bana right kemen chalat members of parliament tintere wich ka Juba gwase chika Dalton. Leran yang gwasame kwi election ka men cha lad no balat ke chang jandang ro widero ka pai wero ronkin dangro jandang ro bakil la national election ka jom chalat gwasame ne ideal country la members of parliament chawe and 2026 election bala jan talk parliament wa parliament na chika wantin along right kono tema wa kuma South Sudan real road ka Queen Quarry ron kin dang road bakelen betu kala general election chala do ne en michi Queen Quarry ne me chatwok da jojo gwanwo ba netin kono ka parliament ba ka nyoko mo yot karodian pin chi netin konti la National Election Commission tintere which ka South Sudan kala do ne ko antama kan tidial kan kalat kan big use ni tai wale sha Queen Quarry cha ko lat ke 2011 me lat ke independent dung South Sudan to a data ni chwa ko ke 2010 kene a general election system mo ba use on entama munyo zode a South Sudan can use the geographical constituencies we te kon e cha kwan to shop ko kor wi dero goten content ba Queen Quarry ba kalaten instead of by unity dialtin pai laden tama ko te tun wani pai lat right corner tama tin pai lat container te bana linkel no antama ka jan gwasame wa parliament dite lon ko na charo dire wa shela too big kanete content tin ka chela expensive long ka kui management ke tin kon lat krede en mun ya kan shela do ne ramila civil society activists shela do no current parliament ajene dite long jana shi na chicken one long ka jana me chi chuong no chi parliament che dedit ke 2010 ne dane lat ke Queen Quarry ke me lat ke independence me lat ke je ajana ne alo ajana members of parliament ko koru de raw korodien ka koru de raw akane te konte cha la the mo ka geographical areas do no tame chala do ne cha ne ko ken cha la binyo mat ke tin ne ri chop ko kor widero no tilam peace ne so ket ne te kono akwan me dana waken kane to go ri sharia leka no kan biladone so right now I'm right corner tema wa and members of parliament rai wiki Juba wa chuk kan kudangro we don't want to la members ne jago je no shi parliament di lon kachi entaye dan wa antama right corner wa rai parliament kachi ne wan chare re wo ga ne kudang dok we jen dok to la members whole system why da ne tana wa kom no ko kor korodian ki ko kom no ko koru de rewo so mu nyono den tama ka roya chalat micha election chajalat ba kom de ko kor ba ka wuch no but we mean that ba members of parliament to tin kontilat ba kan dial ba ka kapchong lo bugo lo goro rodian let be kan kalat wa kan members of parliament tin tama big position can be can lose no wa government ba spending ta danan cham kan yoka je ke yer kan yoka je wa broad yot pin wa bi parliament bala matot along lo mean that ne tin content when bu you focus ka kel a che bele la ta ngwana ka jema kan whole system gwa ye long no ko whole system kan the law say the election commission must declare constituencies 12 months before election wa kan Queen Quarry kan ben benatin county election commission wa bi kan yur bi kan alarno ba election ba jelat I mean ba not ba ka kwanyala witin content ba Queen Quarry ba latin ba je declare akan pedang waro kan gana ben no right now ko tele population census mi cha lat ke kana kan ka kwen ka tele legal constituencies mi cha create entama kan entama ci law ci na ca ka force no ba dil yuni data ni dum 2010 ci mo ci na force ko ci tel way mi lat ka ngwa ka je kana mi lat ka je ka tet akir so on decision mi kana me wajen a politically motivated ko di wa cha gore kir no don't ne te bidi tene jen mi ko na tam lat ka ngwa ne ka je ka dom ci wala chala no mi bi members of parliament ba ka reduce what ne te bi chujen wana mo wa ba komden ko na sha kam ngani kana komden ko na sha kam men shida men chala da wone ne la ke 2010 la men taken ke 25% Canadian la 25% representation re kumaka bartem right now right corner take ke 35% katin wani taken ke 20% so munyo do di mu wa na wa ka reduce ba men in corner chala ke members of parliament wa ba ka youth pingen dial ke ba ko wut ka ba ngwen content ten wen ba ka nyom wo keke ene duwar muten gwata mo ramishi qualify ba je del wuj bete ne kan ne de kon dini kan no so ko kuje mo wa be jama but ke jo chalat ke 2010 wa en kwera na kula la president ki ponde en self ke mi yadit wa tele je power ko ba members of parliament ba ka kwan ci ka kwanje so mu nyodo di wa ba ngot ba ka ger bu gor ga jen wo bna bu ko we ka do mo gwa wa bar dialti ba ka did lalet antam right now right ko ne chala do ne wa council of state ba ru yot pin antam ko kor wa bu we ne jen bakel ne jen bakel kan ba goro state assembly ba bu ga jen kan ne to kor bu go jen ngwane badak nyodo ne dialti wa many politicians will lose their job waka competition ba bro da rebe lonka kane to ko gorga ne ci qualified kan budo dai kuma kama wi ne di na me ce korche ga bunu anyok ba we banne ka tin ko kena kon kala let la dor chal ke wen kan great people administrative area wi ti lat ne ka tin akira ne ka gwate dan ala ke nyin siasa ke ruwen a part of unity state but kira bo watch chele lo ruwen administrative area a great people ba cha nyo mo de jongle akira ka ta gor je no bukan nor bukan ngane ka je and then surely greater people administrative area who can use and time chala do mi to go be bna let ke 2010 la whole system wa to talk and yal ba ka deal watch ke but ke infection me to ten ko do dan ba chore ke je ko bi kul fit ko ka gen system tuna tan tam wa ba be met ko ka whole system chicken let do na me amela rora me de yenale ka jo ran chala da kan election commission kala do ne na amisha tuoga na me sharia leka wa beneti konti la voter ke ba voter registration ba you talk no ka beneti konti la voter ba ka shu ngie ke ba ka educate kan gwada mon ba final voter list ba ka shu publish ka jen pai bakal ronkin dangro jandangro bakal la June 2026 no ka nyok bon ka kore gwada me ne ka 2026 ba campaign ba jelat la open campaign munyu dodi kan politician di albiga la ready ko wadi en ke bordi en prepare ka qui campaign ndana balat ko en kanti tam ko enter ka campaign season munyu do na ramimo me dong te ko bar buru jala kwere wi ka South Sudan be campaign be je to ka kor gwaten be so mi chit kana me mbuto ka gwaten be wana ka qui Christmas ka joran chalat gwasme jowo chalat gwasme bana nyakel right now de lar no ne jene ka jo chalat gwas me ka Christmas chala do ne cha ni tla suspect ni chup ko jandang baro wa cha ka kep ke cha ka yere wich ka Juba wa got cha na kep ka rew gwata nyam ka ko ne to kor gwada rew da cha ne jen baro cha ka kep ne de toria kep wa ke gang members ke ne de kondla tabla ka kok ka ne to wan but la de ni ke police ne ba ka ne de ti ka ne tin kontin cha kep ban mo kuna la dir ke je long jenene wariu ne ndiala kono cha kep tin lat ke je wariu den kamen kene young girls the men aken tin kontin charin vol kene te kon la gang ne rewi ke Juba watan den cham ken tab mi je mi shala ash mo jen chale ka witin ko ken chale crystal mis alo well mi je ke drug mi je well mo mi she mat no wala control la ja lose the control be lose anyok be confused for many days alo chi chare che beten wanamo there we ban ko baran bajenak right now aware wiki Juba cham ka jena mo anete kon la ngene wa nyok ba der dumni wa shiro da accident ro da rep torbiele ye da karodian ka yaka ma yaka ka waru ne to ngwan dong bran bo wore torbiel gare chamat kana mo che chuon ke chimwa wat diale gorge jeno de ka control ne de ngwan cha ka jel kan ke mamne jel kan ke yamne jel kan ka other dangerous weapon te nakana ke de kana mu kere ka jare wi ka South Sudan ke jen chang Christmas ka na me mi chore la re wishin wine mi alerdian kwaseme dora shal ke me equatorial eastern equatoria chala do ne na former UN base wa bajelo jala university akwar dantere wishin wine mi ko bin wene ken buka garten unimis wajen chinere kontla ji ke ji unimis base ke ji UN ti ge en wena mo cha jogu jeno baje ger baje le la university kajen eastern equatoria akwar dantere wishin wine mi lere jo gwaseme ka jo chalat qui first vice president chala ro jen deje kamrar ke deje release ka jo dana chalat ne ti wan shol ken kim yadi de no mugur jeno bi malbaben kamni Dr. Riek Machar kam jarar Minister Sudanese shol ken antama jang nuer ne dial wa tele real peace mitele Dr. Machar wa tele mal mede top tuong mekan kuma spila yu mekan kon mat kama dan le rode ane de kwan chol kan no ne dak machar kam ka jarar ka win vol ka dialogue ke kro chandan roi na ka je ku malke ko ci kuin kwari je tak dak machar jen ki peace agreement signatory ram kelkate dia kan ideale konde tank mal actually jen the main no ka jen emerge political leader ka kuma spele mayo me baje sai line ki baje wuch ki cha gor no betre mal ka no wa jaganer ko bikar wan long rai wi ka South Sudan so chala do ne election without him we lack trust en ko inquiry mitelejetin wa tele ngan betwok rai wichin wenamo mu gorga jen wodi ko be korbo ko kapchong la first by president Dr. Machar de deal involved ka jen ko inquiry men be ko de ja konluñ kim yadit so tege kir no jin luñ first by president ka jang ko be involved ka dialogue ko be mal ba ko ben na me jen nana goro de nyaka kon kel ka Changfied YouTube channel mi jiram jidit goro no jin bi subscribe ko bi notification bell bi to an ko mete mi ci break ba sha mala ci weke ji wadana pa la rech an biya ta kamal bye bye